Rollator walkers are a cornerstone of mobility aid design for seniors, combining stability, seat-based rest, and portability to extend independence and outdoor activity. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 four-wheel rollators across a price band from $79.98 to $99.99, highlighting how material choices, wheel size, braking systems, seat comfort, and adjustability translate into real-world usability.
Product number 1. Homeland Foldable Rollator Walkers with Seat for Seniors. The Homeland Rollator blends a reinforced frame with 8-inch puncture-proof wheels and a substantial 350-pound weight capacity. It features adjustable seat and handle heights to accommodate a broad user range, 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 6 inches, a breathable backrest, and a memory foam seat for enhanced comfort. Safety is prioritized with a 3-mode braking system, pinch-proof folding points, ergonomic hand grips, and reflective strips for visibility. The unit weighs 20.4 pounds and folds to a compact form for transport. Performance-wise, the 8-inch wheels enable better obstacle clearance and smoother outdoor movement than many 6-inch counterparts, making this model suitable for mixed indoor-outdoor use, including light park paths and shopping trips. The stability is supported by thick tubing and reinforced cross members, which contribute to dependable handling when fully loaded at the 350-pound limit. The absence of a removable backrest post suggests a fixed seating experience, while the quick fold design and a manageable weight facilitate trunk storage and airline/vehicular transport. Users with limited grip strength may appreciate the soft grip handles, though some may prefer more vertical adjustment range for chair height alignment. Product number 2. Drive Medical 10257BL-1 4-wheel rollator walker with seat. Drive Medical's 10257BL-1 delivers a steel-framed 4-wheel rollator with a padded under-seat area and a removable back support. It offers height-adjustable components, ergonomic handles, smooth casters, and a compact fold for storage, plus a small under-seat pouch for essentials. The product emphasizes stability and dependable daily use support with a 300-pound weight rating and a practical 7.5-inch wheel size. In use, the 7.5-inch wheels strike a balance between indoor maneuverability and light outdoor terrain capability. The fold-down backrest improves seating versatility for shorter users who need a quick rest without fully entering a seat position. The steel construction provides stiffness and predictable performance on flat surfaces. However, the heavier, fully loaded profile can feel cumbersome when negotiating tight spaces or stalls in public facilities. The combination of under-seat storage and a color-coded blue finish helps with visibility and ease of maintenance.
Product number 3. Vosk walkers for seniors. The Vosk Z21 emphasizes all-terrain capability with 8-inch wheels, a dual adjustment design for height, and a dual seat height range. It claims a 350-pound weight capacity and touts a memory foam-like ergonomic seat and a widened, breathable backrest. The 3-second quick fold design aims to simplify storage, with a relatively light body at 10.37 kilograms, about 22.9 pounds. Performance-wise, the 8-inch wheels and textured treads deliver improved grip on varied surfaces, while the 360-degree front wheel rotation supports tight indoor navigation. The dual height adjustment spans both seat and handle height, reducing bending and promoting ergonomic use. A potential caveat is the relatively heavier folded footprint and the need to verify real-world durability of the thickened tubes over time. The design also highlights nighttime safety with reflective strips on wheels and storage areas. Product number 4. Drive Medical 10257RD-1 4-wheel rollator walker with seat. This red Drive Medical variant mirrors the steel frame 4-wheel configuration with a padded seat and a fold-down backrest.
It emphasizes a compact footprint with a 7.5-inch wheel size and adjustable height, plus the same under-seat storage concept and a 300-pound weight capacity. The red color adds a visual cue for visibility and style. In practice, the 7.5-inch wheels offer reliable indoor movement and modest outdoor capability. The combination of steel construction and a foldable design makes it straightforward to store in a car trunk or closet, while the underseat pouch keeps essentials accessible. The absence of advanced cushioning or memory foam seating means seating comfort may not be as plush as premium models, particularly for longer rests. Product number 5. Rollator walkers with seat for seniors. The Soundfuse model positions itself as a premium feel option within the budget tier, boasting an 8-inch wheel setup, a reinforced triangular frame, and a 350-pound weight capacity. It emphasizes a biomimetic seat design and a widened backrest, along with a dual-height adjustment mechanism for both handle and seat. The quick fold feature is designed for car trunks and travel, with a weight around 20.4 pounds. Performance-wise, the 8-inch wheels and enhanced grip surface help traverse uneven sidewalks and light gravel, while the braking system with 3 modes supports responsive stopping. The foldable geometry and pinch-proof folding points reduce risk during storage and setup. While it presents strong safety cues and ergonomic seating, the design's emphasis on comfort through a biomimetic seat might have subjective comfort variance, and the underseat storage pouch availability is not explicitly stated.